Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox this Hikvision DVR. It's a 7B00 series and it's a 8 channel DVR. So as far as video compressions, you have H.265 and H.264 video compressions. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing, guys. So as soon as you open the box, you could see you have the power adapter for the DVR and the cable you need for connecting it, and over here you have the mouse, the remote control for the DVR, a SATA cable to connect the hard disk, some screws to connect the hard disk, and a power cable to connect the hard disk. And here it is, guys. You have the DVR itself. So here you have three indicators, guys. One is for the power, the other one is for the hard disk, and this one blinks if you are connected to the LAN. So at the back side you could see there are 8 ports. This is a 8 channel DVR, so you could connect 8 CCTV cameras to it, and you can also connect 4 audio channels, meaning 4 mics to it, and you have one USB for the mouse to control the DVR, and a HDMI port so that you could connect to the monitor, or you could connect using the VGA port, and you have a LAN port so that you could connect to the internet through it, to the modem, and the power button, of course. And in the front also you have a USB port. To get to the hard disk bay, you have to unscrew 6 screws over the body. So let me just unscrew the screws and get into the hard disk bay, guys. So you just have to push it a little bit and it comes off, guys. Be careful when removing this because you have the exhaust fan over here. If you are not too careful, you could damage it. Okay, so over here you connect the SATA cable and connect it to the hard disk, and this is for the power supply of the hard disk, and this is where you fit the hard disk into the DVR, guys. You also have an exhaust fan over here which you do not get in the 4 channel DVR, guys. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you and have a good one.